Is your Ecovacs Deebot N8 doing the robot vacuum shuffle instead of actually vacuuming? 1 minute it's scooting along, the next, error. It's like it's forgotten how to drive, right? You're not alone. This is actually a common issue. Often, this is caused by a problem with the driving wheel motors or the internal gears within. They might be worn, jammed, or just simply struggling. Ignoring it won't make it go away. Instead, you risk further damage, poor cleaning, and a very grumpy robot. No one wants a grumpy robot. You might think, oh, I can fix this. But hold on a second before you crack open your Deebot N8. When it comes to that frustrating driving wheels problem, diving in without the right knowledge and tools can be risky. Attempting to fix the driving wheel issue yourself could damage other sensitive components inside your N8, turning a small problem into a much bigger and more expensive one. Not only that, but opening up your Deebot N8 yourself could void your warranty, leaving you completely on your own if things go wrong. And honestly, are you even sure you've diagnosed the exact cause correctly? The issue might be deeper than you think, but don't worry, RoboCare has the solution. Our expert technicians quickly diagnose and repair your Deebot N8. Our technicians at RoboCare, however, have years of experience specifically diagnosing and fixing this wheel problem on the Deebot N8. We use specialized tools and genuine Ecovacs parts to ensure a safe and effective repair. We know the ins and outs of your machine, and we have the expertise to do it correctly. So instead of risking further damage and frustration, why not trust RoboCare? Let us get your Deebot N8 back to smooth sailing without the added headaches. And Viola? Look at that! No more spinning, just smooth, efficient cleaning. That's the power of RoboCare's expert repair. Then, we returned the robot vacuum to the customer, and our customers raved about how they had a stress-free cleaning experience because it worked like new again. Ready to get your Deebot N8 back on track? Visit our website or give us a call. Let RoboCare take care of all your robot vacuum repair needs.